Hey, what's up guys? Jackson here with PC Bros, and today I'm going to show you guys how to put on an Intel stock cooler. We have a stock cooler that has never been used right now, and I don't know if you can get this, but you see these little arrows right here? You want those facing the opposite way of the cooler. If they're facing inwards like this one here, it's not ready to lock. So we're just going to turn that. You usually can turn it with your finger. We're going to go ahead and plug this in to the CPU fan header right here. Now every board will have these in a different spot. Just make sure you find the CPU fan header one. And now what I like to do is basically just kind of get it stationed. So you notice how all these little white pieces right here have dropped into the socket. If we flip the board over, you can actually see all of these little white dowels are plugged into the board. So now what we're going to do is, while holding this side, I usually like to kind of do both at once. So opposite corners. You should hear a really nice audible click. And now when you turn over to the back, you should see these little black parts right here spreading the white pins out so that it keeps it from falling out. Right now, I should be able to lift this board up and the cooler is not gonna come off, okay? So now if we wanna take the cooler off, we're gonna face those little arrows towards the cooler, right? So we're gonna face all the arrows inwards. So if you look closely, all of our arrows are facing towards the cooler. And now just like you installed it, just pull each one up. I like holding the cooler down just so that you're not, accidentally like getting thermal paste everywhere. Go ahead and make sure that all of these are facing outwards. So arrows are all facing away from the cooler. Make sure that these little white parts are basically, I call it like a reset. They shouldn't be spread open. If they're spread open, it's not gonna go in well. So what that looks like is this. So if that's spread open, it's not gonna work. So what you have to do is, once again, turn that out and then pull that back out and then turn it again. So now it is back to normal and then we're good to go. We've uninstalled and reinstalled an Intel stock cooler. This goes basically from 1st gen all the way up to 12th gen. If it's already installed in the case, I suggest turning the case on its side and doing exactly what I just did. And then if you wanna be able to see those black pins in the back, take off your back panel, lift the computer up, and then you can see the motherboard when it sits in the case. You should be able to see this whole part right here, so you can see those pins to make sure that they're seated properly.